do this.
If you like, I can check on.
I think now is working, but I'm gonna see if I'm live in there too. Okay. Yes. Yes, it's working. Let's see how this 4-hour close. That's why I said secure, because the 1 hour was rejecting that 8 moving average. Right? This one. So that's why I said secure, because rejecting that 8 average. This one. So
I wake up from the nightmares, tell me I'm alright. I just need your arms to hold me when I cry.
it sounds like a YouTube. Hello, hello.
Don't you know I'm only human like you?
Okay, that's too much. Sounds like a YouTube. Hello, hello. All right, it's working nice. Okay. All right. We are going up. Let's see if we push up to this zone here, which is also weekly 60 pips. Oh, nice pushing. Hey Najim, how are you? I'm good, Zahid. How are you? I want to see this 1 hour close back below the 8. We have another weekly zone here, which is rejecting there. Right. So the cells here, it's because we have daily. We have daily closing here, which is a monthly zone. Let me remove this weekly for now. As you can see, guys, we have daily closed below the monthly here, and we came up to retest 1 hour closed above, but it's still respecting this 8 moving average on the 2 hour, and that's a perfect entry there based on the 2 hour time frame. But if this 4 hour goes back and close back above, that's an absolute close the trade, because 4 hour it's not a joke. 105. Good morning. Good morning from near Amsterdam. Good morning, Journey Bar. Good morning, guys. Good morning, good morning, good morning.
And Najim, I'm not able to watch the stream, but I'm just driving. So if you don't mind, may I ask your like how are you gonna manage the GJ? Are you gonna secure at 10 pips or
Yeah, I'm trying to secure 10 pips. If the 4 hour close back above 152,683, right?
mhm,
I'm closing my trade there. Because for our,
okay?
yeah, as you can see here, we have respected at the breakdown here, and also this for our breakdown, which is a daily close down here. Now this for bullish for our respecting that zone, and this one should respect also. If it does close back above, we're coming up to see maybe next level. And price is still bearish. I still have my runner from here. Good
So
morning,
now it's going
Linus.
to close like in 15 minutes, right?
Yes,
Okay.
16 minutes. Also, 2 hour candle is closing in 16 minutes, and the 2 hour should not close back above the 8 moving average. That's my plan for GJ. And the gold is now, anyone if in gold, just put stop at B. Secure the bot for a pips, right? Put stop at B and let it be.
I should open my full position on gold, man. Like I just
Just leave a runner, very small runner.
I did, but you know this. Usually I like a 5 lots on something,
Yeah,
but this time I open only 1 lot and I secure 80%.
it's fine, you know. That's still money
But
there, you know.
like if you just hold it like 5 lots with the 40 pips,
Yeah, man, you know, but when you're not sure about a trade, that's a good to go low risk.
actually like I was pretty like confident when the last bearish candle closed with no wicks on the top and the bottom. Then the next time it shoot up like just immediately. I was like, you know what? All right, I'm not going to close it. I'm not going to secure anything.
You wanna take the you wanna take the full position there,
Yeah,
huh?
man.
It's when you secure a little bit of profit, you stay relaxed, you know. Because if you goes 40 pips in your direction and it comes back again, that's a waste of money. So you don't want to do that, you know. Good morning, Najim, tuned in from Kenya. Oh, David, you're from Kenya too. Is another one, Frederick. He's from Kenya also. Hey bro, how are you? Have been busy working these days, so I can join the Zoom and trade. I'm trading so far, missed it.
Hi Najim,
Hi, Muhammad, how are you?
are you trading on US 30?
No, but the US 30 was perfect yesterday. Uh,
Yeah, I see your chart.
that's where explained exactly, like look where it touched exactly the entry, right? And then drop down. How many, like 3 pips draw down. The reason why it rejected here because we have that daily 8 moving average, right? And price is still bullish, so anyone wants to sell here has to be careful. and the higher time frame is bullish, right? But we may come back here and then we're going up from here. Also from Kenya, Wilson. Oh, okay. A lot of people from Kenya here. Kenya, my neighbors. I don't know if you guys know that I'm from Africa too, Morocco. Kenya.
They're from Morocco.
Yeah. Yes. Where are you from, Mohammed?
Pakistan.
Pakistan. Okay. So you are Raja's neighbor.
Yes, Raja's country. Yes.
Ah, nice. Kenya strong, sir. Kenya strong. Jim is Moroccan living the American dream. Kamran. Man, yeah, we're trying to, you know? We're trying to. We're trying to, man. So gold or the secure profit. Let me check GJ here, which is I didn't secure profit yet. Okay, almost 10 pips now. Najim, do you have the magic keys? No, I don't. I want to try them, but I never got a chance to order once. Najim, do you have the magic keys? No, I don't. Try to see if this is working right. And the gold buys, you can see, guys, we have that daily closed above weekly here, right? This daily here closed above this weekly here, and that's when we had the moving average, which 2 hour closed back below that zone, right? But 4 hour still give us a chance to keep going up. Reject that zone, right? Rejected here. This is what I explained yesterday about gold, over here, right here, right? Right, exactly this zone here, because we have that 4 hour closed back above that weekly where we took this buys now. And okay, let me mute this. Right, 4 hour closed back above, and obviously this 4 hour came back to retest that, and at the same time we had that 1 hour moving average at that zone. That's the entry right there, 107 pips from there, right? 100, yeah. I did not got that bias, I was asleep, but it did work out. Good work, Sir Frederick, and the live stream on YouTube. Thank you, Frederick. Team,
Hey, Najim, how's it?
how are you doing? Good, good.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I hear you. Do you hear me?
Yeah, how's it?
Good. We're trying to catch 10 pips on GJ. Is
Oh, the sales was beautiful yesterday. I just took the 4 hour flip.
Oh, nice. You took it when you flipped back down.
I only got 10 pips. I didn't catch the full thing.
What? That's all you need, right?
Yeah.
You need 10 pips, that's it?
Are you in a GJ sale?
Yeah, if this 4 hour close back above this zone here, I'm out.
You're starting to come back to GJ, eh?
What's that?
You're starting to come back to GJ.
I'm starting to come with GJ.
Yeah, I mean you've been trading gold lately, and I see you trading GJ now.
Whenever there is an opportunity, GJ was ranging before for a while. That's why I didn't touch it over here, this zone here. That's why I stayed away. Uh,
Yeah,
yeah.
fair enough.
So we broke up down here, and the 4 hour dick's even clearer, right? Broke down, takes us out. Now we are down here again. It's a monthly zone. So, but let's see. See what happened.
Yeah, the sale should work out.
Yeah, it's having hard time here. As always, they say like
Still pretty early. It's been another hour.
it's early. Yeah, It's in this zone here above the 8 moving average, so it may come back to this 50 here, but if the 4-hour close back above here, it will go up here. So just waiting for this 4-hour and see how it closes. Gold is looking good. We are in gold also here. Trade review. Brandon, send me a chart. Let me see. What is this, Brandon? Is that your chart? I don't see it. Like Canadian dollar or second one took sales. Let me see this. My trade. Oh, second one. Okay, in the 30-minute. I don't know how did you take it, but let's see. You got your 10 pips probably.
I took it when they 30-minute flipped and it gathered liquidity right there.
Over here, let me. It's this Canadian CAD USD.
Yeah.
Oh, for our close, let me see that GJ. That's what I'm worried about. Oh, GG closed above, which is not good, guys. I'm out of this trade. Right?
Yeah, the previous candles. It's a bullish candle.
Yeah, it closed above after all, and I'm just gonna close. It's set the break even right now. I'm out of that trade, break even, just a little bit of profit, right? I closed it. So now let me see. Yeah, let me see. You know what? We may take buys from here, right here. Let it come back up, down here. Right? It's still bearish, but 4-hour close back above here, which is a sign, and 4-hour has no top wick yet. I'm gonna check now your trade, Brandon. Just 1 second. Let's see this. Eight pips. Oh, that's not much. I'm gonna put it back down here. But 16 pips. So in the when 4-hour close like that, it means like daily wants to keep going up to make that even bigger top wick. Let me see monthly here. Monthly push down like this. Go back. So let's see. 3-hour is still open, but it's still below the zone. But 4-hour, which is the strongest one. Yeah, and 2-hour closed above the 8, like I said before. Closed above the 8 and above the zone. Has no top wick yet, and if he comes back to this 8 moving average on the 1-hour, I'm taking buys from here. Right.
You get this, Najim?
What's that?
Hope you get this.
Yeah. Yeah, let's see.
Yeah, I think you'll clear once that 1-hour resistance gets broken.
Oh, to 1-hour he closed above the 8, which is a good thing. Also, the 2-hour we may come back all the way down to this one here, but hopefully not. This give me 60 pips. Alright. And you see how he's rejecting that zone now? And if he goes, just let it go. Not gonna chase unless we come back here.
Yo, Najim, I'll catch you later, yeah?
Okay, team, take care. I'll talk to you. See you. Bye. How long have you been trading Wilson Najim, and how long did it take you to be? Almost 2 years now. Um, and it was like last March. That's when it came consistent. Last March. So about 8 months now. Almost 2 years taken. It's okay. Oh man, if it does not come back down here, I would not take it. It should come back to this. Nice, nice. Let's Yeah, come on, come back down. Is that 10 pips already? No. I mean, I'm in gold. Gold is going good so far, so I don't care if I don't get that GG. I'm gonna secure another 10 pips at 50 if he comes back down up first. Wow, that's good. Najim-Fx is for the die hard. It takes time, you know. It takes time and patience. One hour closed above 8 is looking good. Yeah, but it's a 4 hour candle. Remember, it's a 4 hour candle, so it may come back all the way down here, like I said, to the 2 hour 8 moving average. So it's 4 hour. The higher time frame, the more it pushes to make that weak. And let me see the 4 hour. And this 4 hour, it can also fill this week down here. So 3 hour. Yes, so be careful, guys. Be careful, be careful. Mm. So this 4 hour candle on GJ, it has to come back to make that. It did make that bottom week, right? But I want it to come back further down than that. Okay, I'm just gonna let it. Brandon, CAD US, right? CAD USD.
Oh yeah, yeah.
CAD. CAD. I don't have it here, but I'm gonna look it. What is it? Why is it like, is it CAD or USD CAD? USD CAD, yeah.
Yeah, USD CAD.
Okay, USD CAD. Oh, GG is coming down. 1 second.
I don't want to distract you or anything, so
But the
I'm gonna shut off the post and then
um,
share my analysis for the trade.
I have another screen here, so I'm looking at it in the other screen. Don't worry. Let me see. CAD USD CAD. You took sales right in the 30-minute.
Yeah,
So you took it in the in this one here.
yeah, I took it. No, the one before that one.
At the break of this.
So like when that candle created the top way,
Mm-hmm.
and then it started to come back and flip, then that's when I got in.
Oh, I see. Let me see what.
And
Let me do the back analysis here and see. Oh, I had some charts in there, but let me do it again. Monthly, three. Oh, there's a lot of zones in here. Okay.
I would just if you go to the daily, there's it's at a key level on the daily.
Well, we have key levels also here in the higher time frame than daily. That's very much important than daily, right? This is 3-month resistance right here. And as you know, the higher time frame, the strongest the zone. So resistance here, right? And we have that previous 3-month closed above, but also have this one here. Yeah, respected this. So now go back to monthly. Wait. We have another zone over here. It's also 3-month resist support right here. Go to monthly. Wow, too many zones in here. Okay, I'm gonna ignore that monthly 3-month. I'm gonna go to monthly up here because that's the one price is above right now. That's a monthly, weekly. Wow, this is a mess, man. I wouldn't trade this, to be honest. Okay.
Trading based off of this zone right here.
Yeah, that's it. Daily instead, right? Yeah. So now we have a weekly zone above here, which is this one here, right? So I'm ignoring this one here because we have a 3-month before that one, which is this one here, right? Because it can reject before that zone you showed me, and you're gonna think, oh, why it didn't touch the daily and it rejected. But if you go to high time frame, that's what it's rejecting. But let me see, weekly, this is weekly here. I'm just trying to figure out which direction is heading.
And I think that
So like listen, like daily closed back above here, right? And that's why it comes up from that zone. If we go to daily, if we go now to lower time frame, price is bullish, and you can see here made a support in the 4-hour, made also like it's exactly it's like it's above something, right? it's above that zone. Right now it's here. If it can come back to this zone here, let me see this.
I guess I drew my zone a little bit different way.
Yeah, so this zone here, it's a weekly, right? In here, we press test it, right? This is a weekly zone. Weekly resistance, right? Yeah, weekly resistance. Let me go back. Yeah, this weekly here, right? Let me see if there's any other one. There's another one here, but I'm gonna stick to this one for now. Let me actually see if that's an entry here, because sometimes it does not come back to that one again. It respects the one is above. Now go to 1 hour, 2 hour. Weekly is still open, but this daily is above, and this was the buys here, right? This was the buys over here. But you took sales in the 30-minute work for you, so that's good. I wouldn't take sales there because we have another daily here, right? We have another daily over here. Yeah, there's a lot of daily zones, so I wouldn't even draw that, but let's just see what happened over there.
Yeah, yeah. So basically, I had my zone. Yeah, my zone. Let's see, right?
Yeah. So the price in the daily is bullish. So for me to take sales, it has to close back down here, below this zone again. And then once we close back down, we have to see what's in there down. We have another weekly here. Right. Go all the way to the left. Yeah, it's also another weekly support
I
here.
just yeah.
But you did good, you took sales based on what you see. You see that is another weekly that I just dropped, right? It's a weekly here, and look for the lower time frame. Look how they reacted to that zone. Once is above, right? For like and for me, as soon as price keeps closing above the zones, I will be looking forward to continuation.
Yes.
So for
Yeah,
the
I just drew my zone.
yeah, it's you see the market different. Everyone sees the market different.
Yeah, I'm just going based, off the daily and the weekly.
Yeah, it works. Daily, weekly also works, so it's good. Let me see if there's any other zone before that. Here, before 3 month resistance in the weekly, monthly.
Yeah, it might continue up on the monthly. Very well good.
Um, Price is above moving average, but moving average on the daily it's still for sales, right? And also this one here, it could be a retest to go down, right? But for down to continue down, you have to see confirmation, a close back below this zone. As soon as you see that it was respecting that zone and then close, it's also weekly this down here, retest it and keep it going down.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah, I think you go back to the daily. Yeah, I think let's see. This is what I saw right here. Basically that right there.
Okay.
Yeah, that's why I was here. I'll try and draw a different color.
Yeah.
Yeah, basically just that zone right there.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, almost.
Confirmation of lower time frames.
Yeah, almost same zone. Let me do this and see what happened over here at this daily over here. This one. Yeah. But you always look where the price is coming from. Is it coming from the bottom or is it coming breaking from the top, right? And you want to continue with that top because price is like coming from the bottom here, right? And breaking
Yeah, it just seems
breaking the
like
highs.
like I feel like it's kind of extended pretty far, and
Hmm.
the higher highs are kind of starting to slow down,
Yeah,
be like less pronounced than before.
yeah. You secure profit on that, right?
Oh yeah, yeah, it was just a scalp on the 30-minute time frame.
Nice,
Nice 30-minute candle.
nice, nice. Hey Najim, Oscar is Najim just dropped it on to give you a like. Have a fantastic weekend. Thank you, Oscar. Thank you. So Gigi is not giving us an entry here. Yeah, we just hold in now and see what happened. Gigi don't care about us, Najim. Nice. How are you doing? Has been a very long time. Yeah, market does not care. Gonna give it time. See what happens. Mm, 2 years, but someone was giving your signals as you continued learning. No one gave me signals. I learned by myself. I tried a lot of stuff. I tried a lot. I tried to copy people what they're doing, but at the end of the day, you have to become with your own strategy, your own view of the market. You're gonna be seeing the market in your way. Trade to learn. Yeah, exactly. I used to spend like 10, 11 hours to the charts every day for like 9 months, which is not a good thing. It's not healthy, you know? But got to do what you got to do. We'll be right back, guys. As GJ is going up, it's just like I mentioned, but we didn't get that the entry. This is why you should get out once we close back above. Exactly what happened, right? That's exactly what happened over there. It's coming to the 50 here, but we already also have that 8 on the 3 hour, which is also a weekly zone here. Let's see, is it a weekly or daily? Oh yeah, it's a daily zone here. Let me see. I think let me do this one also. Good morning, Ali. How are you been? Well, good. So we missed this trade here. We missed that trade. We did manage that trade. We got out. Now we have that 3 hour at the daily. Should we take sells now or what? Here is this. Okay. Still, price is still bullish, right? Based on the previous daily closing back down here. So this daily is pushing to make that top wick, and let me see. There is no confirmation for buys yet. Like a strong buys, very long buys yet. So we may take sales from this zone here. Let's see. This data push a little bit further up. Is it a resistance or support? Support. So now price is in between 8, right? And the 8 and the 50 here. 1 hour is closing in 30 minutes, and it should not close back above this zone here. And I'm gonna be looking for sells from that zone over here. Already pushed up how many pips? 17 pips. Let's see if there's any other zones here. My bed is crying. I'm just gonna do this one here. This is a small stop here, so all right, let's see. Let's go back to gold. Gold looking good. Secured 40 pips on gold. Yeah, gold, it may come back down here, but let's see. We don't want it to come back down, but it looks like it. It looks like it's gonna fit the 4-hour week. Do we live stream this on YouTube, Najim? Yes, it's on also on YouTube. I'm streaming on YouTube also. Have you tried GBP odd and the Euro odd? They are fast moving pairs and Asian. No, I never tried them. I trade only GJ on gold. If you have two pairs that you understand, that's all whether you need. Najim, you trade only London? Yeah, um, I like a stream on London only, so try to stick to one session. Right. So 4 hours is trying to fit that wick, bottom wick down, and again later if this 4 hour close back down here, or even like previous 3 hour close back down here. So I wouldn't be surprised if come back again in the 2 hour and close back below again. We're gonna see a continuation, so be careful if you are in buys. Just put a stop at B. Let's see if we get gold. GG. Hopefully we respect that 2 hour moving average on gold and push up from there. See if we respect that. I will be right back, guys. I'm watching this from my phone. I'm back. I'm back. Najim, mute your mic, please. Guys, buys are coming. Buys on GJ. I mean, buys right there, guys. Be careful. Um, did you? It's rejecting really quick.
Hello, Najim. How are you, Shaji?
Hi, Shadi. How are you? Good, good.
Good, good, good. How is everything? Good.
Alhamdulillah.
Today's buys, huh?
Yes, is trying to play with us today.
I was expecting 750 to 700 will be like base support, but it has broken to almost 370. Huh?
7, which like
750 to 700. Yeah, that was the monthly level, right? Monthly resistance,
yeah, just one.
monthly zone. It broke below that.
Monthly zone, the daily, yeah, broke down below, but we had that 4 hour closing above, and now we have 3 hour closing above, right? And we may see some continuation up, at least coming back to this 50 here on the 1 hour. But overall, price is bearish. That's why we have to be careful there.
Yes, yes, definitely.
152. Let me see something here. Did anyone got buys on here?
No, I didn't enter because it could be a bit risky, isn't it?
It is. It is risky because price is bearish. But based on what I see, we may have a push up further up for a while. Let's see. You know. Let's see what happens. I have to change this broker, man. It has high spread. Not good. I opened down here and look what it. Okay. I am in. Just be careful, guys. Let me see this previous 3 hour. Eh, alright, not looking good right now. Let me see. Wow, there's a big drop there. Gold is pushing up. Someone has to make. All right. Let me see how many pips is this here. 7 pips. It's nothing. If he breaks this lower wick here, we have, right? I'm out. So it's about 7.5, which is not. It's not bad. Using Octaf Forex. No, I'm using LKD. LKD-FX. Gold is looking good. Is looking good. 3 hour close back above 2 hours, respecting the 8 moving average, right? And price is bullish, and also 2 hour close below the 8 here, so it's a little bit tricky. It may come back to this zone again, so I'm just holding runner on gold right now. 3 hour close back above, so it may come back to something like this. 3 hours gonna weak, come back, right? And then push up again. And if this 3 hour moving average keeps moving closer to this zone, that's another entry there for buys. Let me see what GG is doing here. So this is the plan. If we break this lower wick here, that's my exit for GG. Right? Let me give it 7.5 pips. Let's see if we get 10 pips. Nice, nice, nice. Come on. Awesome. Where's my phone? Secure, guys. Secure, 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 secure on GG. Secure profit. Oh, full margin. Let's see. I'm securing 8 pips. I don't care. That's ongoing. That's now if we come back down, like where I said to get out, I'm giving that back, and then I don't lose anything. Just break even. And if it keeps going up, so we are in profit. It is what it is. Did anyone got in? Zemil, you, Wilson, and Zemil did. I don't know who else got. Ooh, awesome, good. It's rejecting that 3 hour moving average right now here. Secure profit. That could be a rejection to go down. This 3 hour just made that top wick also. So break at B, secure 10 pips. Awesome, Zemil. Break at break even. Stop at break even now, and just let it go and see. Awesome, Najim. Secured 80% at 8 pips. Sit B. Awesome. TP is about to say hi. Is that you? Very nice.
Yes, Najim, it is me.
Okay. TP is about to say hi.
That is your trademark, yes, so I cannot steal it from you.
Yeah. Let's see if we push it to this 50 on the 1 hour, because as I said before, like once we close back above the 8 here, right? See, respecting the 8 and usually goes to the 50, and it ranges in between them. So that's what I want to see. You buy it? I think you by now you should receive, right? Yeah. Okay. Yeah. That's okay. I study. Oh God. Yeah, I know. Their hands it's did you study? Yeah, I'll study for tomorrow. Okay. That'd be my infirmier. See. You like the fire? So, you know, Uh, thought you were selling GBP GPY. Nice trade, Najim. Well, I was gonna sell if it was coming up first, right? If it comes back, if it did come back here first, I would sell right now. But I got buys also. So so now I'm just gonna hold my runner and see what it does. I was gonna sell to get this drop. It happened right now, but because of the 3 hour closed bullish right here, which is also previous 4 hour closed bullish above the zone, it's even strong confirmation to go up. It's just based on what I see at that moment, right? Earlier I was in sales down here, but as soon as this 4 hour close above, are you hearing me? Yeah. So as soon as this 4 hour close back above here, this one top made that bottom wick and they got out from sales, right? And then it pushed all the way up, as you can see. So yeah, I was going to buy from here, but it never touched that 8, and now it came back touch it, which buy is still risky, right? But it did work based on what I see. I hope it makes sense. it could be a rejection from this 8 moving 50 on the 1 hour. So if you want to secure more, I will secure more profit right there. Nice. Okay. I secured more profit at 17 pips in total. So now we got stop at B. All right. Nice one. I'm in Najim. Awesome. Awesome. Just secure profit and just put the stop at B. Let me see. Next. So that's the next. If we keep pushing to the 4 hour, let me see 4 hour here. Is another 4 hour moving average. So this zone here is a strong zone, right? Breaking the 3 hour 8 moving average. Wow, it's pushing. It's flying. Gold is,
Oh, Najim, that was a good call. It's flying indeed. Yeah.
yeah. Secured profit just 153, 150. Hopefully, uh, it's a weekly zone here also. It's awesome. Go luck. Nice. Mm -mm 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 -mm. It's pushing straight up. Awesome. Let's see the 4 hour. It will be there. Like a bull.
That's awesome.
It's rejecting the 50. Look at that rejection. That wow, it's crazy. Make him back all the way down that to 5 minutes. Yeah.
Trade was called live.
And
What's up, Najim?
Hey, how are you doing?
Good, man. How are you?
Good, good.
Are you in a trade yet?
Oh yeah. Took secured 40 pips on gold.
Oh, wow. That's good.
Also GJ, I secured 17 pips on buys.
Oh, wow. Congratulations.
Thank you, thank you. It pushed already up like 25 pips. Yeah, and I have stopped at B right now, and that's it for today. Not taking any more trades. GG is rejecting gold. It may come back to this zone again. Yeah, I'm just holding runner on gold also.
Gotcha.
You didn't got any trade?
No, well, I just probably logged on.
Oh,
Was doing some homework. I'm finishing up my bachelor's degree in operations management, project management.
oh, okay.
some papers due, so I was what do you call it?
Are you
I
busy?
was working on that, so I was just really logged on. So let me see what's. I did trade earlier today.
I mean, if you're busy, you have to do your thing, you know.
Yeah, yeah. Are you the only one on right now?
What you said?
Are you the only one on?
I think someone took bites with me on the on GJ. Um, I think Wilson, Frederick, Adrian, Zemil, and also I sent this chart. Or I don't know if you are in my Telegram group, but I sent this chart for gold also early.
I need to get on your Telegram. Yeah, I'm thinking.
Yeah. It's the free Telegram I have. So that's why I sent the gold analysis earlier for in Asian session for buys.
What's your Telegram?
Let me send it to you, right? I send you the link over there.
Oh yeah, okay. See.
Also gold we took. Yeah. Let me see US30. US30 is having a hard time there. It was nice. 235 pips. This is a paper trade only.
Okay.
Yeah, I got this analysis yesterday here for US30. Just played exactly as I expected. This is the before. I don't know if you guys see the screen here. This is what I expected from US30, and that's exactly what happened. Yeah, but did not go all the way down here, but 235 pips down.
Wow. That's nice, man.
Yeah.
What's your name on Telegram? Najim-Fx or
Najim-Fx. I send you the link. Just click the link that I send you now.
yeah, I was trying to get it on my phone.
Oh, my Telegram, like for the one that I have, I don't really like text on Telegram, but it's Najim El Amrani.
Yeah, I got you.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, you called it.
Yeah. I called also GG sales, but I got out at the break even early, as you can see there. Expected, well, we have this daily closing back down here, right? This daily close below the monthly, and if we go to lower time frame, we have 4 hour respecting that zone, also 3 hour respecting that zone, and we took sells on the 2 hour as the moving average. It was at 2 hour at that zone. It came down at almost 10 pips, but I did not secure. And then I see this 4 hour, this one, previous one. See that 4 hour closed back above that zone, and that's where I said to get out, and this 4 hour pushed a little bit down to my break even, and then I got out, and look where is it right now.
Correct. Yeah, just came back up.
So yeah, I didn't want it to close above, and once he did, I was out of the trade. I lost in Sasha group, and again here why. What? Whereson? I lose in Sasha group, and
Um,
I again here. Oh, I thought I thought you said again here. I said, what are you talking about? You just took a winning trade with me.
yeah. No, you did good, man.
Um, I don't know what to tell you, man.
Are you sure? He lost it? He must be, or Sasha must be win, man. You have to be careful.
Oh, Kurai, I thought I was talking.
I'm just, I'm just
I
kidding.
mean, like,
Sasha will send a group like in a paper trade or something. He will tell, I win again. It's just so funny.
I just call the trades that I take personally. That's it. Like, if I don't take any trade, I won't call it. Like,
Yeah, that's cool.
And guys, as you guys see, I give the entry and the exit also. You know. Anyways, everyone trades different, so I don't know.
Didn't
Najim,
you
go
used to trade?
through.
Didn't you used to do like swing trading? Kind of like a little bit.
Yeah, that's what I do. Yeah, go through gold. Do you want me to explain this bias here? Very
Yeah.
simple. We have daily, right? Let me remove this one here. So every time price keeps closing above, like is trending up, and it keeps closing above the zones, right? We have this daily here.
I can't see your screen.
Oh, really?
Yeah. It's stuck on
Oh, yeah, yeah. It's in the other. It's in the other monitor right now.
okay.
So we have daily closing above the weekly zones here, right? And that's it. Like that's where we got buys. I explained about buys here last night on the live stream. It's on YouTube recorded this buys here, right? And you 100 pips pushed from here,
Shit.
and now price came back to that zone, right? We do have that 2 hour close back below here, which was a risky trade to hold for buys. But I said, okay, I'm gonna give it some more time because price is still bullish, and the 4 hour was not closed yet, right? Because sometimes you have to look what in the high time frame as the daily close back above here. Sometimes in the 1 hour, you're gonna see that close back below here and then close back above to continue going up. So that's what happened over here, right? Some people call it fake out, and they call it undecision for to go down. So once this happens, that means the daily it's done making that bottom week. Now is about to continue with the previous daily, right?
Right.
So this one could be managed right there if you want to if you want to get out once we close back below here in the 2 hour, 1 hour. It's also I think the 2 hour, right? This
Yeah.
as an
Those
exit.
are those are closing my wick.
Yeah, it has no bottom wick, but I don't care about the wicks, but where the candle closed, you see this previous two respected,
Oh yeah.
so it should do the same here, which he did close back down and then it pushed up. So this could be an exit for me, but I hold it because I was looking at the 4 hour also. I said 4 hour it may do not want to close back down here, right? So that's why I hold it that.
So yeah, that's a good decision.
Yeah. But if it was the 4 hour closing back down here, I was like, if the 4 hour close back down here, that's an exit for me. Like there's no like hold, because 4 hours is a strong confirmation, right? So
Yeah, I think he's just gonna back retrace and come back down.
so 3 hour, previous 3 hour, as you can see here, we have a close back below in the 3 hour also, and this one came back closed above. So we may have something like this. This 3 hour is gonna come back to retest that zone and then push, just like I explained over here to the right here, right? 3 hour close back down and then close up. Next one, this one current 3 hour is gonna come back to that zone, and that's another opportunity to buy, and then you will start managing that on the 1 hour. If you close back below here like this one, you get out.
Okay.
Yeah, let's see if this moving average in the 3 hour comes closer to that zone. That's a good entry for to buy, because move price comes back to that moving average always.
Yeah.
Yeah, so always look at the daily, where the daily closed, or weekly if was a weekly close, you always want to see that we had that weekly here closed above monthly. This is a monthly also, and two weekly zones. We have a weekly support, we have a weekly resistance, and if we go to monthly, it's also monthly resistance there, right? So then we have weekly close back above, which is this one here, and also it's a daily close back above here. And if you go to lower time frame, you're going to see a retest on that zone, and keeps going up, right? Keeps going up. Also the same here, we have that daily close back above, came back, retested, and pushed up. I was in buys, but I closed it once he came back to break even. After this 2 hour close back down here, I closed my runner, but after securing about 20 pips. My stop never got stopped if I had to hold that runner, right? Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. What is GG doing now? GG is just playing around. So like I said, we are between 50 and 8. That's usually a range there.
You have to run on this one too, right?
What's that?
You have a runner on this one too.
Yeah, I just hold in a break even right now. Okay, I'm gonna end the stream on. Mm, I really wanna go to push, but it looks like he wants to come back here first. Guys, I'm going to end the Zoom. Um, yeah, that's enough for today. So I'm gonna end the Zoom here. See you guys tomorrow.
Okay, brother. What time you usually come on?
Around 12:30, 1 a.m. Eastern time. Yeah.
All right, where are you located? States or?
Yes. Are you in the States too?
Yeah, I'm in Texas, at San Antonio.
Oh, you're in Texas. Okay. I'm in New York. I'm between New York and Philadelphia.
Oh,
Yeah.
oh yeah.
All right, guys. Take care, everyone. See you guys tomorrow. Not over trading, not over risking, and save your profit and come back tomorrow. Thanks, Najim.
Thanks.
Have a nice weekend. All right. Take care, guys. Take care. Bye.